In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Printify with Amazon so you can connect your Amazon store directly to your Printify account. To get started, log into your Printify account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the New Store drop-down menu. This is where you can connect another sales channel to Printify. Open the drop-down and select Add a New Store. You'll now see the available platform options. Choose Amazon to begin setting up the connection. Next, click Continue. Then enter your store name when prompted. This name helps you identify the store inside Printify, especially if you connect more than one sales channel later on. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify and Amazon tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. After entering the store name, click Continue again. On the next screen, check the confirmation box, then select Connect. Printify will redirect you to Amazon, where you'll be asked to sign into your Amazon account and authorize the connection. Once you complete the Amazon sign-in and authorization, your Printify account will be linked with your Amazon store.